Hi! In this video, I'll show how to ensure any settings are maintained when changes are made by multiple users. This restores picture and sound settings to the settings configured in Pro Settings mode when the display is set to Pro mode. Hotel room displays can be restored to the hotel's picture and sound quality settings simply by turning off the power to the room. This eliminates the need to manually restore each setting. In Pro Settings, select this function. Select Enable, Disable. Enable, which is the default, restores picture and sound settings to the settings configured in Pro Settings mode when the Bravia Professional's display is turned on in Pro mode. Disable. Picture and sound settings are not restored. Even when the Bravia Professional display is turned on, the settings made in the Pro mode take priority. So for example, during operation you can see that when I change settings, like change picture mode from standard to cinema, and brightness from 40 to 20 on the display, once we power off and on, the picture mode turns back to standard and brightness turns to 40. These are the initial values set in Pro Settings. In this video, I have shown how to ensure any settings are maintained when changes are made by multiple users.